because you're not fit enough to drive on Jamaica road like how I see you driving, Dee Mwango. You teaching from Davy and doing your thing. That don't mean you're gonna come to Jamaica and take over the road like that because you're not fit enough to drive on Jamaica road like how I see you driving, Dee Mwango.
Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Now, guys, I'm here, and you know, as usual, I want to ask them how you stay. You know, all right? I hope everybody is in good health, good strength, and if you feel some pain, go to the doctor, check it out, make sure everything is all right. Now, my people, here we are going, you know. Me have an argument. Me have a vibes what me want to talk about. It's not nothing too serious, nothing too big. But me think it's a something to talk about. And the reason why me think it's something to talk about is the other day I listened to another YouTuber. And the YouTuber was talking about another YouTuber from another country. However, in that YouTuber comments where the people in comment, I tell you, the people them give her hell. Yeah, the people them give her hell. And the people them tell us if you leave people alone, leave people business alone, and then go as far as say the YouTuber is promoting Jamaica. The YouTuber is advertising Jamaica. Now, let me say this. And this is the reason why I come to this conclusion. And this is the reason why I even made this video. Because the person in question where the lady was talking about is Dee Mwango. I don't know if I get her name right. If I get her name right, so you go. If I don't get her name right, somebody can explain it down below for me. But I just how pronounce it, how I can pronounce it, you know. But guys, it's like the comment them down below was vicious towards the Jamaican lady, for the Kenyan lady. The Jamaican lady never said nothing wrong. Only thing the Jamaican lady was trying to say is, why is Dee Mwango visiting Jamaica so often? Me personally always ask myself the same question. A few YouTubers do some videos pan it, and the video where them do pan her, it's like them have questions. Everybody have questions towards Dee Mwango. So when we do some digging and we do some checking, where other YouTubers all over the world, mostly in Africa, I say about Dee Mwango and our brother, is there a set of users. Now, me don't know nothing about that. So me go leave that alone. Yeah? Yeah, me now get involved in that. The question and the thoughts for me have in my head is, do you guys think Dee Mwango is promoting Jamaica? Yeah. Do you really think Dee Mwango is promoting Jamaica? Or do you think Dee Mwango is using Jamaica for her own benefits? Yeah. What do you think? Comment down below and let me know what you think, if she promote Jamaica or she use Jamaica for her own benefit. You know, someone will go cut off my head. Someone will go tell me my own business. Someone will go tell me say me howl and me too fast. But me understand. Each to his own, each to his opinion. I think some people tell me if you go cook. Some people tell me if you go cook food. Yeah, man, me soon come up with some cookings. Me have some cooking shots there. Yeah, me soon come up with a whole bunch of things. But right now, yeah, I do some blogging. Cause on this channel, me do blogging, vlogging, traveling. Me do everything. So lifestyle. So you understand what I say? Me just do things. But reality is reality, people. Dee Mwango is using Jamaica to make money. Yeah. Big and serious. Yeah, big and serious. She a use the country to make money. Remember, there is a lot of content creators, a lot of big YouTubers travel to Jamaica. They come, they do their one video, and they're gone. They haven't come back. Yeah, I haven't seen one of them who keep visiting, like Dee Mwango. And if you sit down and check it out, every time she come, she linking up with somebody different. Yeah, she not just come and link up with one person. I believe at one point, Mark, don't quote me on this. I believe at one point them say she and Kino was in a little problem. Then she leave the country saying that Jamaicans taking advantage of her. But now she's back. But me don't understand. They keep visiting Jamaica. My whole thing is this. One other question I have to ask. So, this question is going to be bitter. Do you think these big YouTubers, content creators, that is coming to Jamaica to make all kind of videos, and they're making money off all these videos, do you think there should be a money that they should pay? Do you think they should pay some form of fee? Because the Jamaicans that is in Jamaica, they have to be paying taxes on their earnings. So if they have to be paying taxes, because it's business they're doing, it's business. You may think it's not business, but it's business. At the end of the day, at the end of the year, you have to pay taxes. And if you don't pay taxes, that sometime that government will come for their money. And if you don't have the money, remember, you go be in tax fraud. So my question is, should people pay a small sum of money to be videoing in Jamaica? I don't know. Me just ask a question. Yeah, me just ask a question because for one person visit Jamaica so often, it's kind of looking a certain way. Like, let's say you go live in Jamaica. You know, you would build up your house, get your house together, and build. You know, if you visit Jamaica to a certain extent, and you want to, let's say you want to put it where you live there, there's no problem towards that. But if each time you go there, you spend a month or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and you're just popping out videos, that means you go there just for content. you know, she go there for content, and I think what she do is she really go there and link up with the big YouTubers. Remember, she's a big YouTuber, but she don't go there and link up with no small YouTubers. So in other words, she's not helping any small YouTubers to grow. She's dealing with the big YouTubers. And I think there's something funny about that. Yeah, I think something funny about that. One thing. Eh? One thing something funny about it? Boy, I don't know. I know a lot of you go chastise me still in this video. Yeah, man, you go cuss me in that video, yeah? But I think something is not normal with the movement. You know, let's use this in particular. If Dee Mwango loves Jamaica, I think you would try to do something, at least something with kids or something for somebody. You know, let's say you don't have a lot of money, but at least you can do something with somebody. You can put something together and say, okay, this is for the kids. If it's even a back to school, if it's even a feed the kids, if it's even to feed the poor. Something, but she ain't doing nothing. And if you watch her video when she go back home at her house in Kenya, there's nobody look at her at all. But when she's in Jamaica or around Jamaicans, everybody is calling to her. So in other words, is Jamaicans is helping her to grow. But what is she doing for Jamaica? People say she's promoting Jamaica, but I don't see how. We have Usain Bolt, we have reggae music, we have Jamaica been promoting itself for many, many years. So I don't see how come Dee Mwango would be said to promoting Jamaica. What you all think? Comment down below what you all think about if Dee Mwango is promoting Jamaica or if she is just trying to benefit from Jamaica. I try to get it, but I can't get it good. Yeah, I can't get the understanding of seeing which part she are. One lady comment was she's highlighting place that she as a Jamaican never go. Now, let me say this. Me know the 14 parishes at Jamaica. All of them places I see Dee Mwango go, me visit all of them. Me used to live a flanker, me go a flanker, me stay a flanker, me live a Montego Bay, me live a South Spring, me live a Canterbury, me can name every part of Montego Bay where me live. Kingston, Spanish Town, all of them places, Manchester, me live everywhere because of my work, what me used to do. Every single way me live. So if you never study or learn about your country, I just say go sometimes, but the part and the areas where she go, I don't see how it promote Jamaica. Yeah, I don't see how it promote Jamaica because let's say she do a video the other day in a flanker. No tourists now see that video and say, yeah, let's go to flanker. Nope. nope. We have to be real. We have to be honest to ourselves. No tourists. What me say? No tourists. Now see that video and well want to go to flanker. Nope. No. Nah happen. Me I tell you, say it nah happen. Yeah, it nah happen. A tourist will go to Jamaica and will go to Montego Bay and go a flanker with a flanker person. But no tourists now they overseas and see that video and say, yeah, let's go to flanker. No. If we don't be honest with ourselves, it not gonna work. So I don't see how, or me not see which part she promote Jamaica by going to flanker. So that is why me I try answer the question and I try ask the question, because me not see how she promote Jamaica. I believe she just use Jamaica for her own benefit. And that's the only reason why me even do this video. Because me see her grown, me see all kind of things are grown about her, and me just now jump on certain things me not jump on, but me just have to talk about this because of people say she promote Jamaica. I mean, I understand how you promote a country when you go in the inner city. When that's the people who follow you, that's what they want to see. Yeah, that's what they want to see. If you sit down and think about it, she don't even do that in her own country. She don't even promote her own country. She don't even promote her own country. But you say she promote Jamaica. People, viewers and subscribers, I know it's a hot subject. It's a subject where, you know, it's a timid little subject. But comment, man. Comment and make we talk about it. Because, you know, all we have to do is talk about it. And, you know, your views may be different from my views. What I say may be not what you say. What I say may be wrong for you, but, you know, we can chat. You know, we can chat. We're not at war. You know, we can chat. So, remember, like the video, share the video, comment on the video, make we discuss who really is Dee Mwango, or why is the real reason Dee Mwango visiting Jamaica so often. Peace and love. I'm out.